What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I got a little install to do on the 1.7 EL. Joined by Diogo and David today on this cold, gloomy Sunday. And we're going to be installing a Blox V-Stack to help the D17 get some more air for some more power, baby. And Rick from Garage 16, always kind enough to fucking hook it up. Holy shit, look at the size of this thing. Diogo, it's the size of your head, bro. Holy shit.
You know, I think this is smaller than the canon.
So this is the filter that's going to be going over.
It's fucking black, bro. It's fucking 3D print, bro.
And this is the Blox Velocity Stack. Decided to go with the plastic one instead of the aluminum one.
That's okay.
It's nice. They would have fixed it. Fantastic. Also picked up some acura shoulder pads for the seat belts. You know, give it a little bit of cushion. Out with the old K-tune. Yeah, dude, thanks for doing a little bit.
So is this filter bigger than the other one?
Sorry?
Is this filter bigger than the other one?
What do you mean?
Like in
Bigger
size?
than the fiber one that I gave you? Oh yeah.
No, bigger than this one.
So I'm gonna need...
It's K-tuned. So it's not a K, you don't need it.
According to Diogo, if it's not a K, you don't need it.
Yeah, that one. Straight air. That's it.
No balls. Yo, doesn't that come with a coupler?
Yeah, but it should come with a coupler.
Should have it. I don't understand if it's actually... Yeah. There's no coupler.
No coupler, bro.
We have coupler.
You have a coupler?
Yeah. Always prepared, bro.
Always prepared.
Just move everything off the trunk.
Oh, you have one over there?
I have one inside the Civic.
Paul.
Okay. He had it. He had it. We recorded the whole thing.
So you would come over here and like,
No, but I saw the expression on his face. He's like, "What is that?"
oh, that was good. That was good. Oh, yeah.
We even got him like putting it on the jacket. Bro, seriously, I have another one right in here.
You fucked up.
And
I put it right there because I wanted you to go
Huh?
there and feel
That's
like...
the sock.
Yeah, it's a sock. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Should we just put the hydro engine sock on?
Will it fit?
Yeah.
Go
We
for it.
did it on Tom's Integra.
Yes, just do that.
I should get one of those. Fuck. Yeah, that thing's mint, bro, but this is a...
Yo, that's nice.
The
You
cold
should
air intake,
just do
like
that.
the water bag.
Yeah, it's water bag.
So just do that.
The only thing is once it socks, it's gonna go like fucking... Like
That's
that.
the only
So
problem.
You're
Yeah,
gonna
but it's
have to
not
put
gonna come
something
out,
to
bro.
tighten it.
It's never gonna come out.
Yeah, if you
This
put
is
something...
this is not gonna come out.
No, you gotta
That's-
tighten it up.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
that won't
tighten
go
it up.
No, I
inside.
know. But
You just-
it's winter time, bro. So I'm just gonna rock the filter still.
Yeah,
Some-
I have to put the filter back on mine.
Every horsepower you need it.
Yeah, but I don't want to like screw around.
Yeah, to be honest,
I mean?
he's gonna have all the
Diogo,
air, he's
like-
gonna have no gas to back it up. It's like my car, bro.
Yeah, it's like Diogo has never actually blown a motor. So, you know what I mean? It's like, how do you blow up a Volkswagen? You don't. You set it on fire. Even still, they don't want to die.
They're
I'm
good.
just kidding, all my Volkswagen followers and subscribers. I love them. I used to have an MK3. This is the best car I've ever had.
He said it.
I did. It was the best. You could ram into everything, not worry about damaging it. As long as you had a little metal tow hook in the front, you were
Yo,
golden.
it's pure snowing.
Alright, let's do this again.
With the proper parts.
So, I do have a coupler, thanks to David and Diogo shenanigans. Good times. Thank you guys. You know, Diogo and I had another install video to do for the interior, but you know, after spending so much time recording and doing everything, it didn't work out. I ended up just getting mad and throwing it in the garbage. So I'm not gonna even bring it up because that's how mad it makes me.
You should bring it up still.
You should definitely bring it up.
The video still.
Oh no, there was like a lot of swearing and
It's okay. That's
I broke
funny.
a lot of things in the car.
It's okay.
And Diogo laughed. He almost broke my camera.
The camera.
That kind of stuff. So, slide this in. Guys, if you guys never took sex ed, same thing. Slide it in.
So that was sliding?
Yeah, so for those who've never took sex ed, slide it in. That's it.
Oh, it's easier when you have a coupler.
Sorry?
So much easier.
So much easier when you have a coupler.
Yeah, at least you have
Yes, it's so much easier when you have a coupler.
no headaches. No looking for fucking hose bands.
Finding an excuse just to get me to pop the trunk on the Civic. You guys, I know you guys want me to start it up.
Look at that ass, bro.
Do a twerk.
Oh, fuck.
He's like,
What'd you do to the trunk?
I don't know. It's not closing.
What do you mean it's not closing?
Either I don't know how to close this shit, or I don't know. I'm too scared.
It closed perfectly fine. Go. Try closing it. What'd you do?
Nothing. I just literally just closed it because I'm like, look at that ass.
Impossible. It was
Try it.
closing and opening perfectly fine.
try it again.
I ain't touching shit, man. He's trying to get me back.
Alright, close it. You just gotta go.
Yo, bro, start.
I don't wanna slap
start
it.
Start it now.
Okay, let me at least tighten the other coupler.
Okay, turn the other coupler then.
Actually, I don't know. I kind of like it like that. Too.
You should put it like that. Just put
But
the
it's
sock
wintertime,
on.
bro.
No,
Like,
it's okay. Just
dude,
put the
it
sock.
picks up everything. Trust
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
You don't have cars that make jam. This is why me and Diogo aren't allowed to hang out with each other. We roast each other. Well, I roast him a lot.
Yo, my Mark IV is a fucking machine.
Bro, stop swearing. This is a family show, bro.
And they need to know.
It's not a family show. I even put it on the thing. It's not registered for kids.
My Mark IV is a family car.
Yeah. All because I don't want to use the ratchet set. I'm doing it old school screwdriver.
So far, they're only good for family sticks.
That's from there.
Oh,
From the bar, bro. From the Volkswagen bar. Look, new speed. Straight up Volkswagen. Got the handling. Start it up, bro. Let me see if I can capture all the Hertzbergs getting in.
Then go for a rip.
Go for a rip. Yeah, you have to go for a rip. Definitely. Bro, instantly powerful. Instantly more powerful. I can feel it. Look at that.
Hear the intake.
You can hear it a lot more, bro. Yeah, bro. You got a little chop just going on the throttle right now.
Dave, the screwdriver's on the thing.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, bro.
Where? You took it out. Screwdriver.
Exactly, that's the point. No, go.
I'm smoking. Fuck.
Yo, even reversing, you can feel the power now.
I know. I gotta lower the music. You know, YouTube.
Yeah, you too. Doesn't pay us enough.
Drive for Hertzbergs. car?
What?
Think I want to die? You should kill me. Those days are gone.
I still think you should definitely nitrous this car. And I'm gonna put it in the video, and I'm gonna put it in the comment section. Like and comment if this car. See, you feel it more, bro. See, you got a little chub.
No, I think you got a little chub.
I think I got a little chub.
I know you got a little chub. It's alright, it's alright. Doesn't make much of a difference in sound.
It's sucking it.
If it was a Civic, we would have been like, everywhere. Going like this, we would have been having a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Neighbors would have been calling the cops. Mexico, here we go. Yeah, you do hear it suck a lot more.
It's more like there's more intake now.
Yeah, it's a lot more intake.
It's amazing.
A lot more girth.
Shit, we don't have enough fucking seatbelts, man.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, safety first. Always put your seatbelt on. Don't be like Diogo and I. Honestly, it's a lazy, cold ass Sunday. We originally had shot a video for the interior, but it didn't work out. I got frustrated. I broke it, threw it in the garbage. Then I had given Diogo.
But it's not our fault. It's not our fault.
It's not our fault.
It's the parts' fault.
It's the parts' fault.
The guys that did the part.
Not, and honest to God, I didn't plan on doing another velocity stack, but then it's like, let's do a velocity stack. So with the G16, paid him a visit, and we picked up the velocity stack and some other goodies that we'll be doing installs on in the next coming weeks. So yeah, that's where we stand. So we're just trying out the V-Stack without the filter. These guys say they hear a big difference. I don't. I'm just gonna put the filter in it just so it's safe, because it is winter and I don't want to, you know, pick up anything. It's not summertime yet.
I feel it. You want to wait for the summer to release the full potential.
Well, yeah, it's like the K breathes out the headlight.
That's it.
So why can't D17 do the same thing?
Yo, dude, this guy is amazing. Did you see that?
I thought he had a Ferrari
That's
sticker on the fender.
It does. It's
No,
a
it says
Ferrari,
Volvo.
says Volvo. Yeah, but it's like the same logo. That's amazing.
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
It's pretty nice.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's the horse.
The horse. So guys, we're gonna get back. We're gonna put the filter on and put the seatbelt covers on, and that'll pretty much do it for today's little cheeky video. Just three guys chilling in a cold winter day. Working in this big head over here. What's up?
No?
I thought you guys. These guys are never good together. They're always up to no good. It really is a single cam treatment. Like, they just love abuse. Except for the D17s. They're very fragile.
This is a D17?
Yeah, A2.
No, it's a 1.6.8.
Shit, A2. So they have D17A?
A1, D17A, D17A2,
So this is like a B16A2. So it's the American version.
No.
Yeah, the North American
Yeah.
version, and they have the D17A.
They have the Japanese one?
Apparently they make like 132 horsepower versus the ones.
Holy crap.
Apparently. But then they have these come in the Philippines or Indonesia. I forgot. One of my subscribers told me. Comes with a D16, but it's technically, it looks like a D17, but it's like a mix of both engines, and they make 140 horsepower.
Wow.
Ah,
That's almost reaching a B16.
So is you put a 1.6 head on this?
Really,
Is that how?
Well, a lot of the guys use the guts from the rocker arms and everything from a D16 to get like, and the VTEC lobe and stuff like that. So there's a guy at Pirate Garage on YouTube that did it. I watch a lot of his videos.
You should definitely put a nice cam, a nice, you know, nice.
I told you we're just doing a moderate, nice single little turbo.
Yeah, as long as it makes more than 218, it's fine.
It's gonna make more than that. It's gonna make 219.
219?
Yes.
These guys are so bad. I know.
Hey, if it makes less than that, you know what? You just pull the fucking
what's
filter
funny?
off, and you'll make at least another extra 5.
Gotta love Diogo and David
Fucking.
for their humor. Oh, Diogo doesn't know how to put his belt back up.
Those are cheap. Those are seat belts. Oh yeah. Didn't you have them in the back too?
Yeah, I have them on the back for Nathan and Caleb.
So nice.
Oh,
It's pretty nice.
beautiful. Diogo's little cheesy puffs. Diogo leaving his garbage everywhere. Can't believe it.
I know. I expected more from Burger King though.
I did too. So, guys, that's pretty much gonna do for today's little cheeky install. Just chilling out with these two clowns.
Holy
Yeah.
shit, you even have this?
Yeah, the Mugen Red Cap.
Holy.
Yes, it is.
Never opened when hot.
Hold on.
For competition only, eh? You can't use this, huh? It says
What do you
competition.
mean?
It's
Every time
competition.
this car drives, it's on competition mode, bro.
That's it.
These guys literally kill me, man. Always good chilling with them. Like I said, it's just a little install. Chilling out on a cold Sunday, and we're gonna get back to doing no good stuff, and probably go check out David's ZF, see what he's done on the engine bay. So, guys, from me, David, and Diogo, just send it.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy holidays, happy Rosh Hashanah, happy whatever you guys celebrate, because we love you all.
Happy 420. 420s.
420 is a couple months away, bro.
420 is anytime you want.
Peace.